Welcome to Insight International Education News and Insights by Canam.
Big opportunity for international students heading to the UK. The ground rules have been updated, and the timing of your application just became more strategic. On October 14, 2025, UK Council for International Student Affairs (UKCISA) published a summary of updates in a statement of changes to the immigration rules affecting both the student route and the graduate route. Two key updates stand out. Increased maintenance financial requirements under the student route, effective for applications on or after November 11, 2025. Clearer timelines for the graduate route, effective January 1, 2027, with changes for bachelor's and master's graduates while doctoral graduates remain unaffected. Breakdown. Student route updated maintenance requirements, from November 11, 2025. For those applying under the student route on or after November 11, 2025. Applicants will need to show £1,529 per month if studying in London, for up to 9 months. Applicants outside London will need £1,171 per month, for up to 9 months. The maximum amount that can be offset for accommodation also increases to £1,529. This means students who plan their finances early will have a stronger and smoother application process. Graduate route timeline clarified for post-study stay. For those currently in the UK on a student visa, and who successfully complete an eligible UK bachelor's or master's degree, applications made on or after January 1, 2027 under the graduate route will be granted 18 months of permission, previously 2 years. PhD/doctoral graduates remain unaffected, and will continue to enjoy up to 3 years of stay. These changes do not apply to graduate route applications made before January 1, 2027. Knowing this timeline helps students align intake selection, internship goals, and career planning more effectively. Why it matters. If you're applying for a student visa to the UK after November 11, 2025, your financial planning, including showing funds and arranging accommodation, becomes a key success factor. If you're pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree and planning to work in the UK post-study, the application window matters. Apply for graduate route before January 1, 2027. Benefit from the current 2-year stay. Apply for graduate route on or after January 1, 2027. The stay becomes 18 months. Doctoral students remain on a 3-year post-study stay, which can be a strategic advantage if pursuing research-led careers. For many students, especially from India, timing and planning will now play an even bigger role in making the most of UK study opportunities. Expert insight. At Canam, we emphasize early planning, brilliant program selection, and aligning study choices with your career goals. Policy shifts like these aren't obstacles, they're milestones. Students who understand and act on them can position themselves ahead of the curve. November 11, 2025 and January 1, 2027 are more than just dates, they're strategic moments for students planning their UK journey. Early planning, better financial readiness. Right intake, longer post-study opportunities. Clear timelines, smarter career mapping. If you're thinking of studying in the UK, now is the best time to act. Drop a text and let's map out your UK study journey strategically and confidently.